Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Dr. Arshad. This is a continuation of the video in which we are solving exercise 2.4 of the class 9 math. Now we'll solve question 2. Here we'll take the left hand side. Here using the laws of exponents, when the bases are the same, then the powers are added. That is using the property a power m plus n. This can be written as a power m into a power n. For example, this is our a single expression, that is for example a. Then this can be written as x power a over x power b power a multiplied by, this is like our a, then a power m multiplied by a power n, in this case b. X power a, x power b, and power b. The base is the same, the powers are added. Similarly here, x power b, x power c whole power b, and then x power b, x power c power c. We have the same base and the powers are added. Then x power c, x power a power c, x power c, x power a power a. Now this can be written as using the property a power m power n. This can be written as a power m into n. So here we have, and also using the property a over b whole power n, which is a power n b power n. So here we are using both properties at the same time. We can write x a square and then x power b a or a b. Similarly here, x power a b divided by x b square. From here we have x power b square divided by x power cb. Similarly here we have x power bc divided by x power c square, and from here we have x power c into c becomes c square, and x power ac, here x power ca and x power a square. We know that ab is equal to ba, so x power ba is cancelled with x power ab, and similarly x power a square is cancelled with x power a square, x power b square is cancelled with x power b square. Similarly cb is equal to bc, so x power bc is cancelled with x power bc. X power c square is cancelled with x power c square, and x power ac is cancelled with x power ac. So each term is cancelled and we have one, which is the required result. Now we solve question 3. The first one is given as, this can be written as 2 power 1 over 3. 27 is 3 cube 1 over 3, 60 power 1 over 2. Here we have a negative power of 4, so this will be taken to the numerator. We have 4 power 1 over 3 divided by 180 can be written as 3 into 60 power 1 over 2, and 9 can be written as 3 square power 1 over 4. Here we can write 2 power 1 over 3 into 4 power 1 over 3, and then 3 power 3 into 1 over 3. The power is multiplied with the power 60 power 1 over 2 divided by 3 power 1 over 2, 60 power 1 over 2. Again, using the power rule, AB power m is equal to a power m b power m. So 3 power 1 over 2 into 60 power 1 over 2. And here we have 3, 2 into 1 over 4. Again, the power is multiplied with the power. We see that 60 square root or 60 power 1 over 2 is cancelled with 60 power 1 over 2. This 3 is cancelled with this 3. 2 is cancelled with 1 over 4. And from here, again using the same property, that is 2 into 4 power 1 over 3. From here, we have 3 only. 1 power 1 over 2 has already been cancelled with 60 power 1 over 2. Here now we have 3 power 1 over 2 into 3 power 1 over 2. We know that 2 into 4 is 8, and 8 can be written as 2 cube 1 over 3. 2 4s are 8, and 8 can be written as 2 cube 3. That is again using the property 3 1 over 2 into 3 1 over 2. We can write 3 into 3 1 over 2, and then this is 3 square 1 over 2, and then the power is multiplied with the power, so we have only 3. Here 3 is cancelled with 3, and we know that the cube root of 8 is 2, so here we have 2. Second part, we know that 216 can be written as 6 cube, because we know that 6 are 6 into 6 into 6. This is 216. So this can be written as 6 cube whole power 2 by 3, and 25 can be written as 5 square whole 1 over 2, and we'll write this decimal form in the fraction form by writing it as 4 by 100. Here decimal point is replaced by 1, and the number of digits is replaced by the number of zeros. Whole power minus 1 over 2 whole square root. From here we can write 6 3 into 2 by 3. Power is multiplied with the power. Then 5 2 into 1 over 2, again power is multiplied with the power, divided by 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. We have 1 over 25 power minus 1 over 2 whole square root. 3 is cancelled. Here we have 6 square into 2 is cancelled, 5, and divided by since we have a negative power, so its reciprocal will be positive, that is 25 power 1 over 2. Using the property a power minus n is equal to 1 over a power n. So taking its reciprocal of 1 over 25 is 25 by 1, and the power becomes positive, and the whole square root. From here we can write 6 square into 5 divided by 25 square root as before is 5 square into 1 over 2 whole square root, which is 6 square into 5 divided by 5 whole square root. 5 is cancelled with 5. We have 6 square root, and we know that the square root of 6 square is 6. Part 3 and 4 are similar. I'll solve part 3. This is basically 5 power 2 power 3, that is 5 power 2 power 3 is 8. 5 power 8 2 power 3, that is 8, divided by using the power rule, this is 5 power 2 3s are 6. This is 5 power 8 divided by 5 power 6. We know that 5 power 8 can be written as 5 power 2 plus 6 divided by 5 power 6. Further, this can be written as 5 square into 5 power 6. Here we have used the property a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. That is, if the bases are the same, the powers are added, or vice versa. If we have added the power, then we can write it as the product of a power m and a power n. So this can be written as 5 power 2 into 5 power 6 divided by 5 power 6. 5 power 6 is cancelled with 5 power 6. We have 5 square, or 5 square is equal to 25. So this was the end of exercise 2.4. Thank you for watching.